Handwork Studio friends, I hope you're having a wonderful day and welcome to another DIY project. My name is Allie and I absolutely love looking at the stars. So today we are going to make a constellation viewer. It can be made with just a few simple materials. We need construction paper, some yarn, a needle, a safety pin, some cardboard, something sharp, writing materials, a paper towel roll, scissors, and a hot glue gun. Let's get started. To get started, you will need to cut 2 pieces of cardboard in different sizes, one bigger than the other to go in the middle, or if you don't have cardboard, you can also use paper plates. After you cut your cardboard, we're going to go ahead and find some construction paper to trace it out so that I can put some color on our cardboard. You're going to want to trace for both of your circles. And then you can go ahead and cut them out and then hot glue them onto the cardboard. Now we're going to take our construction paper and our cardboard and hot glue that on, and then we will draw on our constellations. So go ahead, put some hot glue on there, your construction paper. The same for both circles. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and draw on some constellations. Remember that whenever you do the stars, to make bigger circles so that you know where we're going to poke out our holes, just like that. So now we have all of our constellations drawn out on our circle. So what we're going to do next is we are going to take our something sharp and we're going to poke holes where all of the stars are on our constellations. Okay. Once you poke out the holes on all of the stars, we're going to go ahead and put one big hole into the middle and then a big hole into the little circle. Just like that. And then we're going to combine our 2 circles where they meet on that middle hole. Make sure to align the 2 dots from the little one and the bigger one so that you can see through it. And then we're going to hot glue them together. Make sure to align both of the holes and that they are even. And if you need to, just make sure that that hole goes all the way through. Next, we're going to go ahead and decorate our paper towel roll. So you can go ahead and get some construction paper and cut it out and just layer it on top. So I went ahead and I got some construction paper that I already colored, and we're just going to hot glue that onto our paper towel roll. We're going to tie both ends together just like that. There you go. For our next step, we're going to get our safety pin, our yarn needle, and our string. And we're going to go ahead and connect one side of the yarn to our safety pin. Then you're going to take the other side and attach it onto your yarn needle. Once you have it attached at both ends, we're going to go ahead and take that yarn needle and our circles and string it right through the middle. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side for just a second, get my paper towel roll and my sharp object. We're going to go ahead and put a hole into our paper towel roll on one side. just like that. You only need one hole. I'm gonna go ahead and get my circles back over here and my yarn and the needle. And I'm going to take that needle and put it through the hole of my paper towel roll. I'm gonna string it all the way through and then tie it off at the end to where your paper towel roll and your circles are connecting. And go ahead and tie a really good knot. Then we're going to go ahead and cut off that extra string. And there you have it. You have your own constellation viewer that circles around. Just look at the light and you can look at all of the different constellations you made. Wow, this has me wanting to do some stargazing. I'm going to go head outside with my constellation viewer and I'll see you later. Happy crafting!